do something that is the best, most simplest thing in the whole entire world, and that's making homemade mayonnaise. So please don't ever buy mayonnaise in the store again. Go in there and read the label. It's going to be really terrible. And what you see here is fresh, wholesome ingredients. Okay, so in this we have 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolks. To that, we're going to just add all of the rest of the ingredients. This is 1 tablespoon lemon juice, that's 15 mils. 1 tablespoon, 15 mils of apple cider vinegar. You could use white wine vinegar if you like. We have 1 teaspoon, 5 mils of Dijon mustard. You see, you can pronounce all of these beautiful ingredients. And then we're gonna put in 1 cup, 250 mils of light tasting olive oil. We're just gonna throw it right in there. This is the easiest, simplest thing to do. And then maybe a little bit of salt, okay? So we have our trusted hand blender. If you don't have a hand blender, I would encourage you to get one. So the trick for this is to blend it for 2 minutes. So we're gonna blend it for 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was close. So you can see that it's like the perfect mayonnaise, and what did that take? You know, I don't know, less than a minute to make, and it has good ingredients in it. So this will get a little bit thicker when you leave it in the fridge, and it's perfect. And I don't know, I don't see why you would want to go buy mayonnaise when you can do it so easy at home. I hope that inspires you.